Today I'm going to show you a really cool trick for opening a tin can. It is pretty common these days for tin cans to come with a ring pull, so you don't need a can opener. But you still do find lots of cans which don't incorporate one. And if you haven't got a tin opener, it can be a problem. But I'm going to show you how you can open it using a sheet of sandpaper. Place the sandpaper on a flat surface, and what we're going to do is sand down the top of this seam here. This is where the metal from the lid of the can and the side of the can are folded over, making an airtight seal. I turn the can upside down and start rubbing it up and down the sandpaper. It doesn't take long before the top of the seam has started to flatten off a little. I kept sanding for another half minute or so, and this time when I turn it over and look carefully, you can see we've actually sanded off the top of the seam, and you can see individual layers. The lid of the can and the sides aren't wrapped around each other anymore. You can wipe off or blow off any dust. Then I gave it a good squeeze, and the lid shot off. Pretty cool, huh? With the seam sanded open, the lid was more like a tight-fitting cap pushed on the top. And your food's ready to use. It's a pretty cool trick, and it could be useful if you haven't got a can opener. If you haven't got any sandpaper, maybe you're camping or something, you can try rubbing the can on a flat, abrasive stone, like a brick, maybe a slab, or a concrete block. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you want to see more, like how to open a can with a spoon, you can click on the links or take a look at my YouTube channel page. Stay safe, have fun, and as always, thanks for watching.